Okay, welcome to another Pokemon unboxing video. Last time we opened Terrestrial Festival and we got these two. Spoilers if you hadn't watched the video, I'll link it. My reaction was very lackluster because it was an evolution. But we did get a Master Ball Pokeball card, so that's really good. So, I did show at the end of that video I got a box of these, and it's because I really want the Bubble Mew. The art is super cute. The artist that created the Bubble Mew only has like 4 Pokemon cards that they illustrated, and I really wanted to collect all of them, and one of them is the Bubble Mew, so I decided let's get a box of these and see. I did open a box, or not a box, but I did get a couple of packs of these when I was in Japan. I didn't get the Bubble Mew. I didn't get any good card actually, but what is new? And we're gonna just hope that we don't have some. We just hope that my luck is a little bit less awful, and let's see how it goes. We open this box up. Pack of 10, and these are premium packs, so there's more cards. Usually Japanese booster packs only come with 5 cards. That's why they're super cheap. Unlike American cards, which are extremely expensive and they come with like 12 cards or 11 cards. So these are all shinies. We're gonna hope for Bubble Mew. Last time I was a little bit pessimistic, so I'm like, maybe I'll be a little bit more optimistic and hopeful. I don't know the way the card goes, so we should just do one at a time. So the goal is, let's be a little bit hopeful this time, and we're gonna hope that being a little bit more positive will give us more positive luck. Shiny? Ooh, a Charizard. That's it. Okay, so and then there's 3 cards. So it looks like it's 3 cards from the back. But we did get a Charizard. I feel like I have this card. I think I opened this card already. I don't think there's any Pokeball illustration cards here, so I think we're good. I do have someone who wants to collect energy, so maybe this like reverse hollow energy would be for them. Another one. We're just gonna go down the line. Oh, I destroyed that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I think Bubble Mew though is the most valuable card, so maybe I shouldn't put my ambitions too high, but you know what? No, we're gonna be positive. We're gonna be very positive. Entei and Snorlax and Wigglytuff. We have a Wigglytuff. I actually don't remember any of the other special illustration art cards. I just really wanted the Bubble Mew. Kadabra, Wiglet. Is this Toxtricity's baby form? I don't know. Foul Plume. This is a King Gambit, I think. Glimmer or Glimora, something like that. It's a glittery seed. And Meowscarada? I'm pretty sure this is Meowscarada. EX. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to have some like shiny cards too, but we didn't get any of the shiny ones either. Look at me switching it out like a pro. Ooh, I do like these trainer cards. I like group shots. This is Tinkatink's baby form. Hoppip, Lechonk, Revrum, something like that. Ooh, Slowbro. It's like Oinkalone. It's the shiny version. This is a shiny card. And I don't know its name. It's Quaxly's final evo. But you are gonna be sleeved. I do like these shiny cards a lot. You will also be sleeved. We did get 2 cards, and I do prefer these kinds of cards actually. The shiny cards. Okay, we have a regular Ione card. Iono. Energy. Taurus. Is this Graveyard? Something like that. Sprigatito's middle form. Bisharp? This is like something Arboliva, something like that. Something, I don't know. Ooh, another shiny! Oh, it's the creepy graffiti Pokemon. And we have... Oh, this is like... It has a very Chinese sounding name. I don't remember though. It's like a post-game like legendary. Okay, so we have these 2, and we got another shiny. More shinies. A literal balloon. Okay. Literal rope. Tandemos! I love... Or no, not Tandemos. Mousehold. I love these Pokemon. The bird. Fuecoco. Squirrel. Tinkatink. Or Tinkatonk? Tinkatink. The salt period. The salt pyramid. Okay, Pidgey, and I have this. This is like the land Tentacool. I have that card though. No, we're gonna be positive. I just thought in my head, wow, my luck is still translating to this box too. But no. We're not, I didn't say that out loud. I just thought it and I'm reprimanding myself. Nope. Giovanni, Snorlax, Ralts. This is Smoliv's. It's like Dolive. This is, I should know this one. Luxio. Celerouge. Scary Fish. I hate this fish in Pokemon. Scarlet and Violet. They're so fast. And Goldingo. And Gardevoir. EX. And we only have 3 cards left. 3 packs left, sorry. No, we gotta stay positive because, you know, sometimes the best is always for last. An envelope and flowers. Beautiful. Is this Bisharp? Then what's this one's name? One of these is Bisharp. Lucario, Charmeleon, Quaxly, Riolu, Mimikyu. One of the 4 birds. Ooh, another shiny. And Noivern. Okay. I'm more happy about this shiny than anything. Let's see, how many shiny Pokemon do we have? We have 3 total. I just play Pokemon to collect them all, and to catch like a level 3 Pokemon and level it to level 100 without any EV training or anything like that, because it just gives you a sense of like achievement. A CD, Xatu, Building, Curlia, Frigibax, Sneasel, Graveyard, something like that, Scizor, Fanny Pack. Oh, the creepy ostrich. That doesn't look like a Pokemon to me. When I see this ostrich, it reminds me of Transformers when they were all like wild animals. Wow, we didn't get a single SAR. Like, not a single one. I didn't even know if that was possible. Bird, another fanny pack. Pawmi, Oddish, Abra, Weevil, Ditto. Oh, wow, yeah. We didn't get a good card. We got 3 shiny cards: Oinkologne, the graffiti monkey thing, and possibly Bisharp or Baby Bisharp. And then we got a bunch of EX cards, no full arts, nothing like that. I think these are all like RR, so double R cards, which is fine, but oh, apparently this is an SSR actually. Was I supposed to be excited about this card? Because I'm really not. Oh, I guess it is a shiny. So this is a shiny. Wow, belated reaction. So this is my rare card. I got the most like unlikely looking rare card. So I think it's because it's shiny and it's big that I'm supposed to be excited for it, but I'm not. I'm gonna be a little ungrateful, but it's okay. Okay, I guess I'm supposed to top load this card. Let me top load this really quick. Okay, it is top loaded. So this is the card I'm supposed to be super excited about and happy about and jumping up and down for. But anyways, that concludes this video. I would say in my eyes it's not that much of a success, but you know what? There may be more videos for us, such as this one maybe?